Okay, few tips to keep your veggies, especially the cabbage, crisp. Avoid overcooking and overcrowding the skillet. Cooking in batches ensures even heat distribution and prevents steaming. As I demonstrated, saute the beef and cabbage separately to maintain their texture and avoid sogginess. Now let's create a unique sauce to take our stir fry to the next level. I'm making this sauce without soy sauce. However, you can use a low sodium version if you choose to. This beef and cabbage stir fry serves 4 to 6, with each portion containing approximately about 340 to 400 calories. Adding 1 cup of cooked brown rice per serving increases the total to about 554 to 600 calories per serving, depending on the portion sizes. So keep that in mind. This dish remains a nutritious and budget-friendly option packed with protein and fiber. I have included the recipe ingredients in the description below for a quick reference. Don't miss my next video where I will reveal 5 easy budget-friendly weeknight dinners, perfect for singles, seniors, beginners, and those focused on weight loss. These meals are all low calorie, under $10, and ready in 20 minutes or less. Explore more of my videos for even more delicious ideas. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Until then, stay healthy and take care.